Hi guys and welcome back. In this video we will make the Scrollspy, and if we have a time I will move to the spinners. But first I need to make a usage for this one. It has a special usage. So here when I scroll down I have this usage. How I can make it? Here I will copy this one. I will create a new file, index3.html, because it has a different usage. I will get the starter from the Bootstrap 5, documentation, the starter template. I will click here, paste it here into this part. Let's copy this style, and here I will make a style of this body of position of relative. I will copy this part and paste it here, and via JavaScript, after adding the position of relative into the CSS, call the Scrollspy in the JavaScript. So here I have the script, okay, and here the refresh, the methods of refresh. When using the Scrollspy in conjunction with adding or removing of elements from the DOM, you will need to call the refresh method like so, but I will make it if we need it. And this then we have just to use this one. When I scroll up here I have this nav example 2. Okay, I can delete all of that and paste it here. I think it will be okay. Index 3, but without the MDO. So here I have all of that. I just need the content here. Okay, I think we got a problem here. Be sure that to have a height and set overflow Y into, okay, here, like so. Let's see if we have something different here when I make it like that. I just had this different. What about the rest? What about the rest? Okay, now I have the enters A are required a mess point with that ID. Do we have the ID here? Yes, I have. Now the next thing I have, when successfully implemented, your nav or list group will update accordingly, moving this active class. I just need a content. When I click on the FAT, I can copy this content. You know, I don't think it will work. If it doesn't work, the Bootstrap 5 is just testing this part, and until you enroll into this course, they might be fixing this problem, so it might work with you. I have here the one. I will copy and paste it for the one. Let's see if we have something different here, but I do not think so. We do not have anything different. Okay, we do not have anything different. We are on the same page. Let's make the width into just 150 pixels. Okay, now it takes me into this part. It works, but without the toggling of classes. I wanna try something. What if I make this a class of active? Now it has the class of active, but it doesn't change. It doesn't change. So we have to edit the JavaScript to make it changing. Okay, now I have this is okay. No, it is not okay. Then the problem is with the Scrollspy from the Bootstrap, not with us. They are testing this part. Don't worry. Until you apply the scores, until you enroll into the scores, they might be done with fixing this problem. Now you know how to do it. We will move to the spinners. The border spinner. This is a spinner which is loading. I will copy this part. If it doesn't work, we do not have any problem. When I refresh, here I have the reloader. I will delete the width here. Delete. Great. Here I have this reloader. Here I can make the PD of here I can make the text of primary, secondary, success, or anything I want. I will copy this and paste it for this body. When I reload here I have all of the colors. The next thing we have is the growing spinner. These parts are not there in the Bootstrap 4. The spinner grow. I will add a space from here to here so we can separate between them. If you want to find something you cannot find in the code, you can click here of inspect and see what this is and search for it in the code. Here I have inspect. When I click here, inspect, here I have the spinner of secondary. Great. The next thing we have here is the colors. Primary text, primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, or light, or dark. I think we got a dark here. Yes, we got dark. After this black one, I will make the dark one. Great. Then I have what here? I have the justify content of center. If I want to make the justify content of center, I will make it here. I have this now. And if I want to make it like this, I want to make a text on the left and the loader on the right. Or I can make it on the left, margin right auto, and make this here. Copy and paste. So here I have a different location, but it is not very good. The float, if I wanted to float right or left, and the spinner border, these are only loading. The text center, we know what the text center is. The size, if I want to make size. The buttons, if I want to make it in the form of the buttons, I will paste this here. Paste. Here I have the buttons. And for the spinner grow, this is called spinner border and this is called spinner pro. Spinner grow, sorry, not spinner pro. Now I have everything for these spinners. The next thing we have is the toasts. The basic example. This is a toast. Welcome to. This is a toast message. When I click here, it disappears. It is like the alert. If I wanted to make, if you wanted to be like the alert. That's checking. When you have multiple toasties, you default to vertically stacking them in the readable manner. Okay, we will test all of that in the next video, which is the video for the toasts. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and have fun.